Well, it's time. The day has come. You might have seen it on my Instagram. If you haven't, I'm selling my XJ, and there's some good reasoning behind it. I mean, it sucks, don't get me wrong, and it's not that I have to, but I think that I've gotten to a point where I'm at like the end of, kind of the end of the road for this Jeep, and as much as I love it, and as much as like it's been so good to me, and been a lot of fun, and it's been the growth of this channel, I just think it's time for us to start a new build, and I really can't do that having this Jeep and starting another big build. And not only that, I really need more space. Me and my wife and my kids went on a trip, a short trip, and we were just like, this is just not it. This is not gonna work. So we kind of came to an agreement that like, we need something bigger, and that's the plan for the next build. I'm not going to give anything away. This Jeep, this won't be the last time that you see the Jeep. I'll make another video when the Jeep is actually leaving, which will be, the guy is buying it tomorrow that I have lined up, and then we're going to ship it out. It's going back to Colorado, which is awesome. So it'll be in Colorado and it gets shipped out this week. I'm really excited. The guy who's buying it seems like the perfect fit for the Jeep. He's actually going to beat the hell out of it, and he's gonna take it on trails and use it the way it's supposed to be used. So I'm excited that it's going to someone that's gonna enjoy it the way I did. But sad day, sad week. It's been 2 weeks. I listed it, I don't know, maybe a week and a half ago. I really didn't know what I was gonna get out of it. I was hoping for around the 15K mark, and I got pretty close to that. So I'm happy with what we settled on, me and the other guy. So it was worth it for him and worth it for me. And it's going to open up a lot of opportunities for this channel, and I hope that you guys are excited. I know it's going to be a bummer because this is such an awesome build. It's such an awesome Jeep. It's so unique, and I know my next build is going to be, it's hard because you look at this and you're like, this dude's already got a sick Jeep, you know. It's like I'm interested in his page, and my next Jeep isn't going to be obviously right away as cool as this one, but that's the point of this, my whole YouTube channel is I absolutely love building these, and that's my plan. So I'm gonna get another Jeep and I'm gonna build it exactly how I want it, whether it takes months, 2 months, a year, 2 years, I don't know. I don't know if this channel it's been progressively getting better, so that's helpful, and that helps me fund a lot of stuff for this. Sorry, my SD card got full. But anyways, this channel has been very helpful for me funding the projects that I want to do, and I'm ready to, like, you know, the XJ is obviously like your most budget-friendly build, and obviously I don't make millions of dollars, so the next build is going to be budget-friendly, but it'll be another level of budget-friendly. So I'm really excited for the next build. I've been actually, gosh, everyone that's been talking to me about, or I've been talking to about my next build, I am so sorry because I change my mind every day. So one day it's this, one day it's that, one day it's this, and I'm still not completely set on my next project. I have like 3 options, and I keep going from each one, and I'm just like, every day is different. Right now I'm pretty set on the one that we're gonna do, and that, if that happens, I won't be able to get that vehicle here for about 2.5 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. So in the meantime, since I'm selling my Cherokee, I won't have a car to drive, so I have to get the Grand Cherokee up and running, which also, a lot of people are like, what about the Grand Cherokee? My plan with the Grand Cherokee is still to get it up running, possibly do, like I said, a small lift, get it, I'm not exactly sure yet, because depending on the next build, if I really want to take it to a bigger level, I may have to sell that one as well to fund even more into that. My goal is to still do overlanding, bigger wheels and tires, not bigger wheels, bigger tires, bigger axles, faster. I'm gonna just say those 3-4 things, yeah. So bigger tires, bigger axles, make it faster. Those are the big things that I want, and more space. And I'm gonna overland. So Still same concept of the channel, but it's a sad day. So I'm gonna just like, I mean, it kills me. I've been detailing this thing all day, inside and out. I want the next person to be happy with it. So, you know, I've been like going all out on it. Here, let's check this thing out. So I'm like cleaning every single inch and crevice of it, shampooed all of the inside of it. This thing is so clean, it's insane. I still have a lot to do, but the majority of it is good. I just need to still vacuum and shampoo a few things. And if you're new to my channel, I mean, feel free to check out. If you're new to my channel, feel free to check out all of my videos on this build. It's been a very long process. I didn't even end up getting everything on camera. It's more or less the last phase of the project is what I've gotten on camera. So feel free to go check it out. This is what I love to do. So other than that, I know this was a short episode. I wanted to update everyone. It seems like every time I film, it's like, sorry guys, I haven't filmed in a few weeks, but I really have been so wishy-washy about selling it, and now that it's actually happening, I didn't want to like say, hey, I'm selling it, no I'm not, hey, I'm selling it, no I'm not. So follow my Instagram page if you want more up-to-date stuff, but the next build is going to be a big build. It's going to be a fun build, and just sit tight. It'll be a few more weeks, but once it gets here, you guys will be the first to know. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty tomorrow, once I finalize it with the transaction and I'm gonna overnight him the title, at that point it's done. I'll dispatch the Jeep, and this week probably is gonna be a very sad week, so wish me luck. But it's just a Jeep, I can always build another one. And on top of that, I just, you know, I get bored quick, I guess. So once it's done and there's not a lot left to do, I start getting antsy, like, okay, what can I do next? What can I do next? And plus, I just want more content for you guys. So enough jibber jabber. I know that this isn't probably the most exciting video, but in the good page of it is I'm gonna have funds to do a huge build. So stay tuned. I appreciate you all. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you next week.